Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best indoor cycling bike in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike Stationary Cycle Bike with iPad mount and comfortable seat. This affordable option from YOSUDA keeps your ride simple, safe, and effective. The 35-pound flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame give you the stability you need, and the belt-driven system makes for a smooth and quiet ride. Meanwhile, the two-way adjustable handlebars and 4-way padded seat ensure that you'll find a comfortable position for your cycling workout, and the caged foot pedals keep your feet in place at all times. The manual resistance knob gives you total control over the intensity of your ride, allowing you to feel the difference with every quarter turn and challenge your muscular endurance. While this model lacks a fancy touch screen, the LCD monitor tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, and the additional iPad bracket makes it easy to listen to your favorite music or watch your favorite guided workout whenever you want. Pros: smooth, quiet ride. Provides basic ride stats. Additional tablet mount. Cons: no clips on pedals. Lower weight capacity than other options. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. If you find data displayed in your face to be annoying, consider a monitorless model like this Sunny Health and Fitness. This stationary cycle is flywheel driven. The steel frame keeps it planted as you crank out your toughest efforts, and the 49 pounds flywheel has resistance that's adjustable by a knob mounted on the top tube. That creates more inertia and is meant to increase real-world ride feel and a smoother pedal stroke. The belt drive system is quiet, and an emergency brake allows you to stop the pedals quickly. Pedal cages help keep your sneakers on the platforms for safety and efficient power output. The handlebar and seat adjust up and down, and you can position the seat more forward or back to your liking. Stationary bike. The sturdy steel frame, heavy 22 kg weighted flywheel, and 125 kg maximum user weight gives this bike a rock-solid build that will keep it moving ride after ride. Resistance. Resistance system gives you the experience of realistic, real road feeling. Push-down emergency brake will bring the bike to an immediate stop. Silent ride. Experience a smooth and quiet ride with the maintenance-free belt drive system, which allows you to work out without interrupting your workout or anyone around you. Number 3. Our third best pick is Nordic Track Commercial Studio Indoor Cycle. Want your indoor ride to stimulate your favorite outdoor experience? Consider this bike from Nordic Track. Its 15 inches touchscreen display showcases beautiful routes for a truly immersive ride, and it makes it easy to track your distance, speed, and estimated calorie burn. The bike's commercial-grade steel construction is plenty sturdy, and it features an ergonomic saddle and handlebars that are adjustable for your comfort. What's more, when you use the iFit platform's cycling programs, the trainers can digitally adjust your incline, decline, and resistance, creating a real road ride feel for you. The pedals are also compatible with standard road bike pedals for a more immersive cycling experience. Bring home interactive personal training powered by iFit. 2 months iFit family membership included. Create up to 5 individual exercise profiles. 15 inches interactive HD touchscreen display streams live and on-demand iFit workouts directly to your equipment. Provides easy stats tracking. Adjustable display allows for 360-degree screen rotation. Pros: truly immersive experience. Ergonomic design. Easy to track key stats. Cons: no major issue found. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Vig Body Exercise Bike Indoor Cycling Workout Machine Home Gym. Fully adjustable for a reliable, low-impact workout. 30 pounds flywheel and 330 pounds max user capacity. Belt drive for a smooth, Quiet performance. Our exercise bikes are equipped with 1.5 mm thick and heavy-duty commercial-quality square tube, and a heavy-duty bidirectional flywheel 35 pounds, support up to 400 pounds weight capacity. Very stable and durable. You can easily adjust the saddle's height, 33.5 to 38.5 inches, the distance between your saddle and the handlebars and handlebar height, 37.8 to 44 inches. NCM adjustment is about minutes 28 max 35 in. Pedal toe clips with straps fit different shoe sizes. Switch up the intensity of your workout with the convenient tension knob. With a simple twist, you can increase or decrease resistance so your workout can remain challenging and effective throughout your fitness journey. Perfect for any user's skill level. LCD monitor displays scan, time, speed, distance, calories, and odometer. You can adjust your workout speed and intensity and set your workout timer using these datas. 12 months warranty of parts replacement. Longer warranty, better service. You can have 100% satisfaction with this indoor cycling bike. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Get Vig Body Exercise Bike, start more active and healthy lifestyle. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Schwinn IC3 Indoor Cycling Bike. If you're looking for a bike reminiscent of traditional spin classes, the Schwinn IC3 Indoor Cycling Bike is a solid pick. The heavyweight design makes it feel plenty sturdy and stable and a little more like a performance pick. The 40 pounds flywheel provides a smooth, quiet ride, and you can turn the tension knob on the bike's frame anytime you want to increase the resistance of your ride. While many budget-friendly bikes come with flat pedals, this Schwinn bike boasts proper cycling ones. Slide your feet into the toe cages or clip your cycling shoes into the pedals for a more efficient ride. You can also adjust the bike's race-style seat and padded handlebars until you've found a comfortable fit. The seat features a ventilated design as well, effectively keeping you cool as you embark on long rides. 40 pounds flywheel powered by a smooth and silent belt drive with infinitely variable resistance. Dual SPD pedals come standard with toe cages and clips. Fully adjustable ventilated race-style seat. Urethane dipped handlebars with 4/aft adjustment. Oversized water bottle holder with integrated media holder. Pros: dual link pedals. Seat and handlebar adjustability. Can mount phone or tablets for workout programming. Cons: no built-in cooling fan. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all about for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.